Hey everyone, on December 12, 2004, Sony launched its PlayStation Portable, PSP, in Japan, marking a bold step into the handheld gaming market. As we approach the 20th anniversary of this iconic device, it's the perfect time to reflect on its origins, impact, and enduring legacy in gaming history. The Sony PSP redefined portable gaming with its advanced technology and ambitious vision. Unlike its predecessors in the handheld market, PSP brought AAA quality games to players on the move. Its 4.3-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 480 by 272 was vibrant for its time, offering a cinematic experience previously unseen in portable devices. The console's bar-shaped design housed familiar PlayStation controls, including the signature face buttons, directional pad, and shoulder buttons, alongside additional functions like a USB Mini-B port and a wireless LAN switch. The PSP was powered by two CPUs paired with 32 megabytes of RAM in early models and 64 megabytes in later versions. Its 1,800 mAh battery allowed for 3 to 6 hours of gameplay, balancing portability with performance. What truly set the PSP apart was its robust game library. Titles from beloved franchises such as God of War, Final Fantasy, and Gran Turismo brought console-level quality to handheld gaming. Beyond gaming, the PSP was a multimedia powerhouse, capable of playing music, videos, and even browsing the web. This versatility, combined with its sleek design and impressive graphics, earned it widespread acclaim and established it as a premium entertainment device. Despite fierce competition from Nintendo's DS, PSP carved out a loyal fan base, selling over 80 million units worldwide before production ceased in 2014. It became the most successful non-Nintendo handheld console, breaking Nintendo's near monopoly in the space. Its success paved the way for release of its successor, PlayStation Vita, which introduced new features like digital storefronts, touchscreen controls, and remote play functionality. However, the Vita struggled commercially due to a combination of high pricing, limited third-party support, and the rise of mobile gaming. Since the Vita, Sony has yet to release a handheld console that fully embraces the legacy of the PSP. The recently launched PlayStation Portal, a remote play device, lacks the ability to run games natively, leaving fans yearning for a true successor. Rumors of a new Sony handheld have sparked excitement, with speculation that an announcement could coincide with the PSP's 20th anniversary or shortly thereafter. As handheld consoles experience a resurgence in popularity, the PSP's influence remains undeniable. It set new standards for what a portable gaming device could achieve, blending cutting-edge technology with an extensive library of games and multimedia features. Whether Sony chooses to revisit the handheld market or not, the PSP's legacy endures as a milestone in gaming history, cherished by millions of players worldwide. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new gaming console? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.